So today I'm gonna build the typewriter. Finally gonna put this together, and I'm not sure where I'm gonna put it. Right now I have this empty box right there, so maybe it will go there. I wanted an empty box for video though, but then video is not around right now, like wave 2 of video. So maybe that will go there. Eventually maybe we'll put it here where the other Lego idea sets, but I think I want to display it right now. There. Yeah. It kind of goes similar to Nintendo because it's like a actual life-size build. So I don't know, maybe I'll shift Lego Movie 2 over and then have the typewriter and Nintendo close to each other. We'll see. So here is the progress so far, and I just want to show you this part. So where is it here? This little wheel is gonna spin when we push this over, and then when you press the keys, the cartridge moves over. I think it's pretty cool. And then you, oh, it's hard to do with one hand. And then you, so that's cool how the gear kind of moves it over. And then it sounds, the sound of it, hold on, there you go. But there's no ding. So I like that. It's a very cool feature. All right, let's continue building. Just finished building the typewriter, the Lego Ideas typewriter, and it's pretty cool. So this is how you push it over all the way, and then as you type, it moves. Paper's a little wrinkled, but that's what happens. It's not a real typewriter. So I'm gonna put it back, well, not put it back, I'm gonna put it in this little cube. See how it looks. So here's the typewriter, and I just noticed there's no bottom, so that's kind of weird. Maybe I'll modify it eventually, but we'll just keep it in here for now. So I just tiled up the back. We had some studs showing, and I might tile this up too. All right, I tiled up the side here and some tiles over here, cover up the studs. So I just finished modifying the typewriter. I added black brick underneath. And so there's no empty space now. And I think it looks a lot better, especially since I'm gonna put it on a white shelf. Because with the white shelf, you can see the empty spots. When I was building it on the pool table, you couldn't really notice it. That's why I didn't really see it. But yeah, it looks a lot better with the black. And so this is how it looks on a white desk or white table. Nice and clean now.